What's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down one of marketing's biggest secrets, market segmentation. We're talking demographics, the secret sauce companies use to know exactly who you are and what you want. Demographics are labels like age, gender, or income that help companies target their products. That's why you see toy ads during cartoons and luxury car ads during golf tournaments. If you want to understand how business works, you need to get this. I'll give you real-world examples and make it simple. By the end, you'll be a marketing genius. Hit subscribe and let's dive in. First up, age. It's a fundamental aspect of who we are, a constantly evolving number that shapes our experiences and perspectives. Think about it. Age influences everything from the products we buy to the content we consume. It's a key factor that businesses consider when trying to connect with their target audience. It's simple but powerful. Age provides a framework for understanding consumer behavior and tailoring marketing strategies. It allows companies to create targeted campaigns that resonate with specific demographics. Marketers split people into age groups. They analyze data, conduct research, and identify trends to understand the preferences and needs of different age cohorts. This segmentation allows them to create more effective and personalized marketing messages. Because a 10-year-old and a 40-year-old want totally different things. Their priorities, interests, and lifestyles are vastly different, and marketers need to acknowledge these differences to effectively reach them. What appeals to a child will likely not appeal to an adult, and vice versa. You wouldn't sell skateboards to grandmas. It would be a complete mismatch of product and target audience. The marketing message would fall flat, and the campaign would be a waste of resources. Or retirement plans to teens. Teens are focused on their education, social lives, and future careers, not on planning for retirement decades down the line. Companies spend billions figuring out the perfect age range for their products. They invest in market research, surveys, and focus groups to gain insights into consumer behavior and preferences. This data helps them refine their marketing strategies and target the right audience with the right message. Snack brands like Doritos target teens with loud, energetic ads and influencers. They understand that teens are drawn to exciting visuals, catchy music, and relatable personalities. Life insurance companies target older adults with serious, family-focused messages. They emphasize the importance of financial security and protecting loved ones. Age shapes what you care about, from toys to cars to homes. Ignore age, and you're wasting your marketing budget. You'll be throwing money away on campaigns that don't resonate with your target audience. It's the first piece of the demographic puzzle. Understanding age is crucial for building a successful marketing strategy. Every stage of life brings new needs, and marketers are ready for them. They're constantly adapting their strategies to meet the evolving needs of consumers at different life stages. That's why your ads change as you grow up. The algorithms are constantly learning about your preferences and tailoring the ads you see to match your age and interests. Age is marketing's starting line. It's the foundation upon which all other demographic considerations are built. Without understanding age, marketers are essentially running blind. Next, let's talk about ethnicity, your cultural background. Different cultures have unique customs, values, and needs. Smart brands don't just translate ads, they understand culture. For example, McDonald's changes its menu for each country. Makaloo Tikki in India, McSpaghetti in the Philippines. During Diwali or Lunar New Year, brands launch special products and festive campaigns. Even colors mean different things. White is for weddings in the West, funerals in parts of Asia. Brands that respect these differences build loyalty. Ethnicity isn't just ancestry, it's about traditions and values that shape what people buy. Inclusive marketing wins hearts and customers. Culture matters in every campaign. Let's talk gender. Traditionally, marketing split everything into for men or for women. Think deodorant, bold scents, and dark packaging for men, florals and pastels for women. Toys, blue action figures for boys, pink dolls for girls. But things are changing. Brands like Fenty and ASOS now feature gender-neutral products and diverse models. Marketers are moving beyond the binary. recognizing non-binary and gender-fluid consumers. It's not just about being inclusive, it's smart business. Gender shapes buying habits from childhood, but today's brands know it's more complex. The future of marketing is about choice, not stereotypes. Gender is evolving, and so is advertising. Now let's talk income. It's a fundamental aspect of our daily lives, influencing the choices we make and the opportunities available to us. Income, in its simplest form, is how much money you make. It's the lifeblood of our financial well-being, the fuel that powers our ability to acquire goods and services. Income determines what you can buy, the range of products and experiences within your reach. It dictates the brands you can afford and the lifestyle you can maintain. Plain and simple. It's the bottom line when it comes to making purchasing decisions, influencing everything from groceries to gadgets. Marketers split people into distinct categories based on their income levels: low, representing those with limited financial resources; middle, encompassing a broader range of consumers with moderate spending power; and high-income brackets, targeting those with significant disposable income. Low-income shoppers want value, seeking the most for their money. Think Walmart or Aldi. These retailers cater to budget-conscious consumers, offering affordable options for everyday needs. Middle-income shoppers look for quality and price, seeking a balance between affordability and durability. Target, Gap, Family Vacations. They prioritize experiences and creating memories, often seeking travel deals and affordable packages. High-income shoppers want luxury, prioritizing prestige and exclusivity. Rolex, Tesla, Gucci. For them, it's about status and exclusivity, the desire to own the best and showcase their success, not price. Cost is often secondary to the brand image and perceived value. Income shapes where you live, influencing your housing options and neighborhood choices, what you eat, determining your access to nutritious food and dining experiences, and how you travel. It impacts your transportation choices and vacation destinations. Ads for first-class flights target the wealthy, all-inclusive resorts target families. Understanding income lets brands tailor everything, creating personalized experiences and targeted advertising campaigns from products to messaging. This allows them to connect with consumers on a deeper level. It's a direct line to consumer behavior, providing valuable insights into spending habits and preferences. Money talks, revealing consumer priorities and values, and marketers listen, carefully analyzing data to understand consumer needs and tailor their strategies accordingly. Let's hit the books. Education matters. Your education level shapes what you read, watch, and buy. Online courses like Coursera target college grads on LinkedIn, while vocational schools advertise on local radio. Higher education often means more interest in books, travel, and the arts. Marketers use this to place ads where their audience will see them. The language and channels change based on education. It's subtle, but it helps brands speak your language. Education is a key to unlocking consumer interests. Let's talk social status, where you fit in society. It's a mix of income, education, job, and family background. People buy things to signal status: luxury cars, designer bags, exclusive memberships. The Amex Black Card? Pure status symbol, invite only. Even shopping at Whole Foods can be a status move, signaling health and affluence. Brands sell prestige, not just products. Many market to the status you want, not just the one you have. A nicer watch or suit can help you level up. Marketers tap into our desire for upward mobility. Social status is aspiration in action. Family changes everything. Are you single, married, have kids? Your family situation shapes what you buy. Young singles spend on fun, parents spend on diapers, car seats, and toys. Toy companies target families with ads during kids' shows. Car companies market minivans and SUVs to parents, highlighting safety and space. Even food brands sell family packs and use cartoon mascots to win over kids and parents. Pester power is real. Win the kids, win the sale. Family is an emotional and economic powerhouse. Marketers who get it build loyal customers for life. Life stage is about your current phase, not just your age. Two 30-year-olds can be in totally different life stages, one single, one with kids. Major events, graduation, marriage, buying a home, retirement, Trigger new spending. Home Depot targets new homeowners with workshops and coupons. Retirement, financial services, cruises, and healthcare ads flood in. LifeStage gives marketers context for your needs right now. It's about timing the right offer at the right moment. Age is just a number, LifeStage is the story. Marketers use it for precision targeting. Occupation, what you do for a living, shapes what you need. Carhartt sells rugged gear to construction workers, not office staff. Medical scrubs are marketed to healthcare pros, with ads in medical journals. Adobe targets creative professionals. Salesforce targets business managers. Even travel brands target business travelers with loyalty perks and upgrades. Occupation-based marketing can be niche or broad, but it's always specific. Your job influences your lifestyle, spending, and even the ads you see. Brands use occupation to solve real problems for real professionals. It's about making your work and life easier. Occupation is a marketer's shortcut to your needs. Nationality is about so much more than just a line on a passport. It's a complex tapestry woven from history, culture, and shared experiences. It's the invisible thread that connects individuals to a larger community, shaping their perspectives and influencing their choices in ways both subtle and profound. It's the country you belong to, the land of your birth, or the place you've chosen to call home. It's a fundamental aspect of identity, influencing everything from legal rights to social norms. It shapes laws, culture, language, the very fabric of society. It dictates the rules we live by, the traditions we cherish, and the ways we communicate with one another. And perhaps surprisingly, it significantly impacts what people buy, influencing consumer behavior in countless ways. Consider this: LA's, the global snack giant, understands the power of nationality, creating unique chip flavors specifically tailored for each country, a testament to the importance of local tastes. Take India, for example, where the popular magic masala flavor reigns supreme, a spicy and aromatic blend that perfectly caters to the Indian palate. Meanwhile, across the globe in the UK, you'll find the distinctly British prawn cocktail flavor, a savory and tangy taste that reflects the nation's culinary preferences. Language matters, and it's a crucial element of nationality. Even a seemingly simple slogan like KFC's iconic "finger-licking good" can stumble when translated across cultures. In China, the phrase was mistranslated to "eat your fingers off," a rather unappetizing and even alarming message for potential customers. That's why smart brands invest in local teams, individuals who understand the nuances of language and culture. These teams are essential to avoid these blunders and ensure that marketing messages resonate with the target audience. Even the same product, like pickup trucks, a symbol of ruggedness and utility, is marketed differently depending on the country. The advertisements for pickup trucks in the US often emphasize power and performance, while in Europe they tend to focus on fuel efficiency and practicality. Nationality profoundly shapes holidays, the traditions we celebrate, the media we consume, the stories we tell, and of course our shopping habits, the products we choose, and the ways we purchase them. The best global brands understand this intricate interplay and adapt their strategies to resonate with each country's unique cultural landscape. They strive to maintain brand consistency while simultaneously tailoring their approach to meet the specific needs and preferences of local consumers, keeping their core identity intact. Think global, act local, a mantra that encapsulates the essence of successful international marketing. That's the secret to connecting with consumers on a deeper level and building lasting relationships across borders. Nationality is the final piece, the one that completes the picture and reveals the full complexity of consumer behavior. It's the last piece of the demographic puzzle, the key to unlocking a deeper understanding of the global marketplace. That's a wrap. We just covered the 10 key demographic variables marketers use to understand you. Every ad and product is targeted for a reason. Now you know why. Next time you see an ad, ask, who's it for? What group am I in? This knowledge is your superpower. Use it to be a smarter consumer and marketer. Drop a comment with a marketing example you've noticed or ask a question. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more. See you in the next one.